Welcome back to another Google AdMob tutorial. In this video, we'll be taking a look at our latest and the most exciting ad format, immersive in-game ads. We'll start off with a quick overview of what the immersive in-game ad format is, followed by a look at some of the ways immersive in-game ads can benefit you. And lastly, we'll dive into a case study of a publisher who saw success with immersive in-game ads, helping them boost their advertising business. Let's get started. Let's start off by taking a look at what immersive in-game ads are. Immersive in-game ads are ads that are rendered as part of the game. Because of it, they resemble the physics of the game. They can come at any angle, they can be animated, they can be part of 3D screens. Immersive in-game ads bring value to publishers like you by giving you an additional revenue stream. It also brings value to users by creating non-interruptive game experiences for them. Lastly, it brings value to advertisers by giving them the opportunity to reach the users during their experience without interrupting their gameplay. Immersive in-game ads are suitable for all games, all genres, all screens, and all types of user experiences. When we talk about immersive in-game ads, first what crosses people's minds are ads in 3D sports and racing games. But immersive in-game ads are actually suitable for any gaming genre. We are talking seamless integration into your world, whether it's a puzzle game, a hidden object adventure, idle miner, or action-packed shooter simulation. With immersive in-game ads, you'll be able to create appealing inventory for advertisers to reach their target audience. That means your title can become more profitable by adding an additional revenue stream, as immersive in-game ads complement your existing monetization stack. You don't need to remove any other ads to accommodate immersive in-game ads. It can be integrated from 2D to 3D dimensions, and it can be integrated into any screen: loading screen, main menu, pre-level, gameplay, post-level. The placement opportunities are endless. Start leveraging on the best screens you know your users spend the most time on. Now, let's take a closer look at how immersive in-game ads can benefit your app business. Firstly, immersive in-game ads create a non-interruptive experience for your users. Build the smoothest ad experiences with them with ads that seamlessly integrate into your app designs and game. Users will never have to leave your app experience with an inline app install. In-app browsers that works for both visiting websites and app installs. Secondly, we know how important technical performance is to developers like you. Immersive in-game ads are built with technical performance as the priority. The SDK footprint is lightweight with minimal impact on the app. Lastly, you can make every impression count. Get value out of every ad request by cross-promoting your other apps through AdMob campaigns, or boost your IAP by promoting sales. Now, let's get inspired by seeing how other developers have already found success with immersive in-game ads. Today, we will learn more about how Unico Studios, one of the leading game studios in the United States with over 30 game titles launched and millions of players worldwide, benefits from immersive in-game ads. Unico Studio wanted to enhance their player engagement and at the same time maximize their ad revenue through effective and non-intrusive advertising. They decided to integrate Google's immersive in-game ads for one of their top titles, Brain Test 3. Initially, they explored placements on both the level map and the gameplay screens. After observing positive results from the gameplay screen, they shifted their focus and doubled down on those. This experience highlighted the importance of testing and optimizing ads placements, demonstrating that publishers should be open to trying different approaches and focusing on what performs best. By integrating immersive in-game ads, they saw a 15% increase in AdMob revenue and no negative impact on their user retention and engagement. Following the encouraging result, they started considering expansion to other placements and titles. And that concludes part 1 of the immersive in-game series. Thank you for taking the time to explore this new ad format with us. Check out part 2 of this series to learn how you can implement immersive in-game ads, tips on best practices, as well as answers to some commonly asked questions. In the meantime, take a look in the description below for more resources. And finally, be sure to subscribe to the Google AdMob channel for more tips on how you can grow your app further. See you in part 2.